should be able to help make things a little bit easier for you for the rest of this fall. So this is what it looks like. It's the demo course for fall of 2020. And what we've done is we've created different modules so that you should be easier to enter stuff each week. So let's say that I wanted to add a recording for maybe next Tuesday. If I go into my module and I click on the Tuesday recording button, I can add a recording if I've been using my camera. It's as simple as choosing edit, and then there's this little V, an external tool. If I choose insert video or file from Torch Talent, any video recordings I've done with my camera will show up here. And so I can click on that, choose continue, choose embed video. And then once I push save, I will see that my recording from 9/1 is right there, and students can have that. And then if I want to include any assignments from that, I go back to my modules page. And so let's say on the 1st of September, I had an assignment that I wanted to update as well. And so I would go to the assignment page. I would choose edit, and then I can tell, I can describe my assignment, how many points it's worth. I can decide whether it's an online submission. No submission would be like if I'm just entering something that we did in class on paper, or an external tool would be like a Kami assignment. Remember, if you want a Kami, you choose external tool, and then you go down to Kami, select Kami in the assignment, and then you choose and you upload it. And so these modules should make it a little bit easier for you to be able to just quickly change that information. If you didn't have an assignment that day, it's pretty simple to delete as well. And so if I go back to the module and I find the date, let's say I didn't have a date, or if I didn't have an assignment on the 1st, I can go here and then just choose remove, and then the assignment's gone. Now remember, if I want students to see it, it has to have the green mark here. If I don't want students to see it, I just unpublish it. So another option would be just to not publish it if there isn't an assignment. So let's see how you get these modules into one of your courses. So I'll go to one of my other courses, just choose a random course. We'll take the PLC course we had last year. If we select Lincoln PLC, and if I want to just import something from Commons, I will go import from Commons. I will change the filter to Lincoln Academy. And then I will see that here's my demo course for fall 2020. And then I just choose import. And so we're going to import it into my Lincoln PLC 1920. So if I choose import into that course, it says it's started, and I can go back and check out that course, and we'll see if it's there. So I did Lincoln PLC 1920. If I go to the bottom, I can see that all of those courses are now there. If I don't like it being displayed this big, I can always minimize it so that I'm only seeing 1 week at a time. All right, let's look also at, we've had, Deanne's helped us get the outcomes into your gradebook. So let's see how we can find those. So I'm going to go back to my demo course, and it can be in any course, but I just want to do it here. I'm going to go to where I have my outcomes. And so if I click on outcomes, and I'm going to look at right here is I want to be able to find my outcomes. And so if I look at account standards, Lincoln Academy, my Lincoln elementary outcomes, if I'm a first grade teacher, I have first grade, language arts, reading, so I can add compare and contrast. I can import that. It takes a little bit of time because I have to import each of those, and then, but it's a lot less than having to type them in. So we can all thank Deanne for that hard work. Probably one thing I would do as well is I would, I mean, I already have a language arts group, and so what I would do is I would drag this into language arts so that I know that it's a language arts outcome. So that's kind of what that looks like. Pretty easy to add, thanks to Deanne. We can get those things done. If you have any questions, I'm sure you can reach out to her. Let me know if you have any questions about modules or how to get that information into your Canvas account.